my sweet students. How are you? I hope that you are doing well. I miss you so much, and I miss our sessions, our conversations, and I hope that you are staying home and practicing your life in a normal way. Because actually, if we respect the instructions, we will come back soon to our normal life. So please stay home. Our lesson today is about yummy food. This is Unit 5, Lesson number 1, which talks about yummy food. So let's start. Here you will see picture. We have like a huge quantity of food. I want you please to tell me what's this one. Can you tell me what's this? So if you think that this is chicken, then you are correct. What about this one? So if you think that this is a sandwich, then you are correct. What about this one? This one. So if you think that this is a chocolate cake, then you are correct. And last one. What about this? What's this one? This is popcorn. Yes, very good. So if you think that this is a popcorn, then you are right. Let's go. So for breakfast, I eat cheese, egg, banana, apple, and I drink coffee. Here I have three pictures of 3 meals. I want you to tell me which one of those pictures is the right one for this sentence. I will repeat the sentence. The sentence is, for breakfast, I eat cheese, egg, banana, apple, and I drink coffee. So, which one of those 3 pictures is the right one or is the correct one for this sentence? Is it number 1? Is it number 2? Is it number 3? So, if you think that the answer is number 1, then you are correct. Let's go. Second sentence. For lunch, I eat soup, chicken, and salad. And I have here the same 3 pictures. Okay? 3 pictures. And I want you to tell me which one of those 3 pictures is the correct one. Is it number 1? Is it number 2? Is it number 3? The sentence is, for lunch, I eat soup, chicken, and salad. So if you think that the right answer is number 2, then you are correct. Very good. Let's go to the last sentence. For dinner. For dinner, I drink fruit juice, and we have 3 pictures here. Okay, this is picture number 1, this is picture number 2, and this is picture number 3. So, I want you to tell me which one of those 3 pictures is the correct one. So, if you think that the correct one is number 2, it means this one, then you are correct. Very good. So, this is the last sentence. Let's go to another thing. We have here a dialogue. Okay, I want you to practice this dialogue, please, with your brothers or even with your friends in the mobile phone, talking with your friends. Okay, with your parents, with everyone. No English. This is not a big deal. So I want you please to practice this dialogue. Yes. So the dialogue is between a waiter. You know, of course, what is a waiter? Yes, a waiter is the person who brings food in restaurants. Okay, so the waiter and Jane, okay? The waiter say, "Hello, madam. How can I help you?" Jane, "I am so hungry and I want some yummy food. I want to eat salad, chicken, and chocolate ice cream." "Okay, do you want to drink something?" "Yes, I want a juice, please." "Yes, sure." "Thank you." "You are welcome." So this is a dialogue that I want you to practice at home, okay? And thank you for your watching, and thank